What's in it? Deep water in your fucking face. That's right, goddammit. Getting where you want to go or reaching goals takes one thing. It takes action, goddammit. And action takes another one thing. It takes fucking balls. And balls requires another one thing. It takes fucking backbone. And that backbone, you gotta have some fucking mental toughness to back that up. And behind that mental toughness is the most important thing of all. The fucking one most important thing is fucking heart. Do you have the fucking heart to back up the fucking checks that your goddamn mouth is signing? Can you fucking execute the tasks necessary to get to that fucking goal? Jon Andersen with a little more.